Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you add connections, basically base plates for one of these columns. This is circular steel column for the last story of this building. I'm going to add the base plate first here and then propagate to have all over these columns. If you want to add base plates, first you need to define the kind of connections that you want to have. Basically, here, if you see, we have base plates, and double tube, brace angle, kidney hole, generic connection, and things like that. We already have base plates here. For example, if I want to use base plate 2, just select that and then click on the column. And I either enter the spacebar or the enter key in order to basically have that base plate installed in the column. And now maybe you won't see it, but if I choose define, now you are able to see this base plate with 3 bolts here, 3 bolts on the side. We can select this base plate and edit the type. As you see here, we can duplicate and create a new type, or we can change this directly here by modifying the parameters. Selecting the shift and the right click, we are able to navigate through this 3D shape of this column. I can also click on the edit to basically open the edit connection type dialog, and here I can change various parameters for this specific plate. So currently we have the plate as you see here, but from the top, basically I can define the thickness of this plate. Now it is 25 millimeters. For example, I select 20 millimeters, and that changes the thickness. I can also define the set out, which is basically here projections, and I can select this to be total or from center by anchors. So that's fine, so keep the projections here, and the column shortening is this gap between the floor and the base plate. This is currently by value, can select as the plate thickness or by value, and now it is 5 millimeters. So the distance between the plate and the slab, concrete slab, is 5 millimeters. We can also change the projection. As you see here, we have 100 millimeters for this plate, and I can change this to be, for example, 120, and then for the plate corners, as you see here, we can choose to have fillet, nano, cut, but if you see here, currently it is this side is cut, and we can have convex or basically fillet, and yeah, so I choose this to be convex, and this should be the same for all corners. And for the anchors and holes, the diameter of anchor is currently 16 millimeters. I can choose this to be, for example, 20 millimeters, and then the diameter of the anchor changes here. There are currently one anchor grade, which is 10.9, and the anchor assembly can be selected from here and then anchor length is 250 millimeters, which is the minimum, and of course we can change this to be 300 millimeters. So the hole tolerance definition is currently variable, and we can have it automatic. So currently it is 8 millimeters, and we select this to be, for example, 4 millimeters. And we can choose this to have slotted holes, which basically is like slotted here, and we do not want to have that one. So we can also define the thickness of the washer plate. Here, if you see it's 5 millimeters, we can change this to be 7 millimeters, for example. This washer plate, and the size is 64 millimeters. We can have this to be 75 millimeters. So you see it changes, and the hole tolerance is also variable, and it will be 5 millimeters. So there's also possible to change location of this, either on the top or underneath this plate here. So if we choose this, then it goes just downside, basically. As you see here, it has moved to the bottom, and if we select this, just remove the tick, then it goes up. So I choose this to be underneath, and then we have the number of anchors parallel to that side. Basically it's 3, and we choose this to be 2, and the distance between these to be 250 millimeters, so that it goes to a bit far. And for the anchor parallel to the other side, we choose this to be 2 again, and the distance is maybe 300 millimeters. So this is also 300 millimeters. And then we can define the stiffener, the thickness of the wheel type, and things like that. So then we can select OK and apply. You see the palette changes automatically, and this is quite interesting, because as you see, it's just beyond the cover of the column here, and it should not be just on the sides, rather it should be on the middle. So I have to select the palette, and I have to edit the distance, this to be 200 millimeters, and this one also 200 millimeters. So now it looks fine, and that's it for this build. Now we go to basically propagate this on the other columns. So we have many columns here, and if we want to propagate this for all of these, then we select this and then right click and click on propagate connection. So we wait for a while, and then just propagates to the columns every year, and that is how we create displays, connections, and then propagate to the rest of the members, same members. Yep. That was all. We just click save, and then end this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you again next time. Until then, best wishes for you.